Doctor, what exactly is the operation like? This is the question patients ask me most when I suggest surgery using holmium laser enucleation of a prostate. And it makes perfect sense. You're trusting a surgeon with your body, so you deserve to know step by step what will happen. I'll explain it today. I'm Dr. Fernando Gómez Sancha. I've performed over 10,000 laser prostate enucleations, operated in more than 50 countries, and trained over 600 urologists in this technique. What I'm going to tell you is exactly what I tell my patients in the clinic. Before surgery, HoLEP is done with spinal anesthesia. It's an injection in the back that numbs the body from the waist down. You're awake but quite sedated, relaxed. There are no cuts, no external incisions. Everything's done naturally through the urethra where you normally urinate. The operation itself involves inserting an endoscope, a thin tube with a camera and a working channel, through the urethra to the prostate. There, we use a very modern holmium laser, which has a fiber that emits very precise energy. With that laser, we separate the enlarged prostate tissue, the benign tumor inside the prostate, from the surrounding capsule. It's easy to imagine it like peeling an orange. The capsule is the orange peel, and the tissue that grows and obstructs the prostate is the pulp. We separate the pulp from the peel, leaving the urinary canal completely open. The technique I described is called Bloc enucleation with early apical release and preservation of the SPHINCTeric mucosa. And what does that mean? Instead of cutting that tissue, those segments of the mandarin, into fragments, right lobe, left lobe, middle lobe, I enucleate the whole prostate in one piece, as if you were removing the whole orange, in a single movement. Why Bloc? Because it's much more efficient, the surgery is faster, the patient bleeds less, and above all, it greatly reduces the risk of temporary stress incontinence that some patients experience post-operatively. Once we've freed all that tissue and moved it into the bladder, we perform the morcellation process. The morcellator is a tissue aspirator that chops it up and sucks it out. All this tissue is then sent to the laboratory for analysis. The duration of surgery for a medium-sized prostate, between 60 and 80 grams, is between 25 and 40 minutes. For large prostates of 150, 200 grams or more, it can take a bit longer, around an hour or an hour and a half. But HoLEP is precisely the technique that best handles large-sized prostates. I've operated on prostates of over 500 grams using this technique. After surgery, you leave the operating theatre with a catheter inserted through the urethra into the bladder. In most cases, this catheter is removed the following day. Many patients can go home on the same day or the day after the operation. For the first few days, you might notice a bit of urinary urgency, some blood in the urine. It's completely normal. It's the healing process taking place in that wound we've left inside the prostate. When do you get back to normal? Most of my patients resume their normal activity very quickly, but you shouldn't do intense physical exertion for a month, nor have sexual relations, but walking, working in the office, daily life after 3 or 4 or 5 days is possible. Regarding complications, in more than 10,000 procedures, the rate of serious complications is very low. It's less than 1%. The most frequent complication, which technically isn't a complication but an expected consequence, is inward retrograde ejaculation, which I'll talk about in another video. What I want you to take away is this. HoLEP is a minimally invasive surgery without cuts that removes all the prostate tissue that's obstructing the flow of urine permanently. The long-term reoperation rate is very low, less than 2%, and that means that for most men it means a definitive treatment. The problem is resolved forever. If you want to know if HoLEP affects erections, I'll give you a spoiler. It doesn't affect erections. Watch the next video, subscribe so you don't miss it.